Mama Akwaba, Wafreme, Ajwa searching, Mesrel, now wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell also for more news.
See, me tenasi no be to ana me koto ba ma jo mama. Asa afi no ba wiase. To mama. Never think. Never dream. So kwa o twire bonso o twire se koto ba mama kwa ese ko podo boni cho.
Why your body so much Joma?
Why your body kapa? It's a sin. It's a sin. They say 10 commandments in the Kambi. A bonus to my mama. Oh my day. Especially pa so what is a sentiment.
Na Asante Pacho Entra former President John Dramani Mahama was na probase ewo framantem. Na okodu ye no instead of say obeka che framantem for adia oba obetimi aye ene nia waye pen no yenkonko hwe asama former president no okodu ho no ekokan ne campaign na ordinam Volta region asante me enkohwe bra Facebook bra YouTube oba like na share no binya binhwe.
In Rawlings time, MPP used to get single digit in Volta region. In 2020, they have climbed and climbed and climbed, and in 2020 they got 14%. And so it means that they are making inroads into the Volta region. And any time the MPP comes into government, development of infrastructure in the Volta region comes to a halt until NDC comes back.
Asante for figures in the election figures in the infant church for the analysis ni wia ni ya chair former president ni ntia Volta region for ehu kanea no a omoto aba edema NPP na NPP a grow. So the year 2012 NPP enya 46,000 NDC nya 579,000. Into MPP percentage was 7.41%. NDC enya 91%. And 2016 NPP vote echo 46,000 echo 60,000. NDC diano so ete eba 493,000. Na ejina ho edema 87.67%. NMPP it grew from 7 to 10.81%. Afei ufa the year 2020 election year NPP a vote a grow from 60,000 echo 101,084. NDC vote and so echo 606,425. It's when ye because numbers no nominal figures because of the population growth na akoso. But I'll check the percentages now. NDC percentage so SITB from 87 to 84%. And NPP so grow from 10% to 14%. It's the growth trajectory. So NPP grew from 7 to 10 to 14. NDC lose from 91 to 87 to 84. Into this time round, your mama who say I had the NDC Volta region for any abrese on beto aba edietia the NDC. Into a kwako jina ho or say enyume pepe o ha nyina me na maye ensuo akwan se me na maye go don da sebre. So my favorite town na Adakru hine ekasaye abria nana adudanko akufuado this year ekoko bie 11.5 million euros water project ano na okati sod 2020 okati sod no NDC for can say oboa do be vote asante da ye bie so na no yen konko tie asemo a wo hene no ekaye.
During the administration of Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo, that Adaklu district had the first police station constructed, which subsequently led to the construction of an office accommodation for a district police commander. It is true that this administration, Adaklu district, has seen the construction of the first third road leading to the district capital. It is also true that under your administration, a district court with accommodation for judges has been constructed. Mr. President, Adaklu district shall have a district hospital by 2024 under the Agenda 111 initiative. The soil has been cut and construction work is ongoing speedily. As if that is not enough, it is true that under your administration, Adaklu district is enjoying the first pipe-borne water system. An answer to our ancestors' cry and prayers. We are eternally grateful, Mr. President. Today, as you commission this water system, permit me to refer to the Igbo proverb, he who brings cola brings what? Life, and state that he who brings water brings life. You have brought life to the people of Adaklu, and on dependence on rivers as well as streams, especially for drinking, has become a thing of the past.
Nana Akufo-Addo and Manya first pipe-borne water. Look, Adaklu ba enye no. Oduma kuma bo wiase. Adaklu MP eye Kwame Agboja. Oti parliament wo edi se mu.
Aha, you know the things they are allowed.
And so ni kromu ensuo John Mahama Rollins Ebresu besi ene. Akufo-Addo na ma ensuo 11.5 million euros. And so John Mahama say ensuo ni bi project ho nyina no. Ono na ede bae. Adaklu for say Nana Akufo-Addo na ma fa quota so because quota na eni for the first time. Adaklu for say Nana Akufo-Addo mo manya court accommodation da budget. Nana Akufo-Addo mo manya police station asan so anya accommodation da ma police for. Nana Akufo-Addo nti ombenya hospital. We nyina ye niam no mo nya den omuhu bi da efi se oduma kuma bo wiase.
Jesit ba ko penu no.
Jesit ba ko penu no.
John Mahama ye fa Adaklu nko akra so agu wani mu ase.
Afei niam NDC fo ani abre kese ana voter range fo ani abre so beto abeti NDC ne se omo si Peter Mewu ameye MP e wo voter region. No mu nim se MP ho onfa so. Na ayi Asante Mpacho Entra former President John Dramani Mahama washe na probase e wo Framante.
Show ye was 21st century mo. So na 21st century asema ye kan so no. Any AI asema na mo. AI asema ye kan so no. Without data AI cannot function. What I say. Inti se obi ka chem se Akufo eba ye no otumi issue Ghana cards 700,000. And NDC for buy issue a little over 100,000. Mama Juni Boom Kakra. So and after the NDC for catch me say in the 21st century say Akwala Ebeko school no say take you 20 years Dream bibi Kakra. So say NDC for catch me say Akwala Beko school what this 21st century ayaka AI asem ho no. That's what catch me say go 2 billion Ghana cedis me farm Akwala nko school ma dwene ye me bibi kakra e tell say me France hana me tino school say Akwala Beko school teach we 50 class 1 eco secondary school no enye free asem. It is more than free. It is more than free. Eye enibriesem.
Okay.
Say yebenya citizens mo te no mo ase na bibi ba na ye ka mo ate ase ne yakoyinim no utifie oba oye late to school kra ne ya ma pepe na o telephone na bom ada na oba
yeah frewa ka kire
ada na oba no about time say one be school ese oba training nta oba no anko school enye bibi anti o sitefia baby awia ase ne kono ese obi enye enimdie kakra bi na yetumi ade akoyinim enra edano